Marcus Aurelius. The best revenge is not to be like your enemy. Our life is what our thoughts make it. Get back up when you fail. Celebrate behaving like a human. Concentrate every minute on doing what's in front of you. You don't have to turn this into something it doesn't have to upset. You, the present, is all we have to live in, or to lose. The struggle is great, the task divine, to gain mastery, freedom, happiness, and tranquility. Let each thing you would do, say, or intend be like that of a dying person. The things you think about determine the quality of your mind. Your soul takes on the color of your thoughts. Choose not to be harmed, and you won't feel harmed. Don't feel harmed, and you haven't been. Love the hand that fate deals you and play it as your own. Today I escaped anxiety. Or no, I discarded it because it was within me, in my own perceptions, not outside. You have to assemble your life yourself, action by action. The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way. You can also commit injustice by doing nothing. Mastery of reading and writing requires a master. Receive without pride, let go without attachment. If it's endurable, then endure it. Stop complaining. Have I done something for the common good? Then I share in the benefits. It never ceases to amaze me. We all love ourselves more than other people, but care more about their opinion than our own. It's unfortunate that this has happened. No, it's fortunate that this has happened and I've remained unharmed. If it is not right, do not do it. If it is not true, do not say it. You always own the option of having no opinion. Ask yourself at every moment, is this necessary? If something is humanly possible, it's attainable by you too. Think of yourself as dead. You have lived your life. Now take what's left and live it properly. Someone despises me, that's their problem. Everything is born from change. You have power over your mind. not outside events. When Jared, unavoidably by circumstance, revert at once to yourself and don't lose the rhythm more than you can help. You could leave life right now. Let that determine what you do say and think. If you don't have a consistent goal in life, you can't live it in a consistent way. Limit yourself to the present. The tranquility that comes when you stop caring what they say, or think, or do. Only what you do. Don't you see how much you have to offer? And yet you still settle for less. Do not let others hold you back. To love only what happens, no greater harmony. A blazing fire makes flame and brightness out of everything that is thrown into it. If it's humanly possible, you can do it too. Don't procrastinate, don't confuse, don't wander, don't be passive or aggressive, don't be all about business. Stop whatever you're doing for a moment and ask yourself, am I afraid of death because I won't be able to do this anymore? Practice even what seems impossible. There is never any need to get worked up about things you can't control. People exist for one another. The nearer a man comes to a calm mind, the closer he is to strength.